Maria, I think it is exactly where the problem was with the ruling party. Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao, the BJP spokesperson, is lying to the nation that somebody wanted to give blows to the deputy chairman on that day. I think nobody would have done that, and nobody was near doing that. Neither the rule book was stayed. Let him show. Why doesn't he show it to the people of the country? If that was the case, let the people of the country say if somebody wanted to give blows to the deputy chairman. Why are you building this narrative? Because of Bihar elections. Because of the Bihar elections. Because of the Bihar elections, you are building this narrative.
No, but what has Bihar elections got to do with this?
It was some paper that.
If anything, they will not be impacted by this legislation.
It is not me. The Pradhan of the country who is saying that Bihar का बेटा है, बिहार से आते हैं हमारे हरिवंश राय सिंह जी. This is something which has been said by the Prime Minister and the Bharatiya Janata Party. I am not saying this. Why are they taking the name of the point?
Just look at those visuals.
Do you want? Maria, please allow me to speak. Do you want an important bill as the farm bill which concerns crores and crores of the farmers, the annadata of our country, to be passed in the upper house without being voted? When the members are shouting for the division in the house, they get two hoots for them, and then they started passing on the bill. This house was not supposed to go in the Rajya Sabha.
So about voice vote and not division. Let's get into that. Okay, GVL, yes, because it's an important, shouldn't division have happened?
No, Maria, I think who was
necessary that every alliance partner has to be in the house? Can you ask the government why is their minister resigning against the bill? Why are their alliance partners voting against it? Why has TRS walked out of it? Why is BJD and AIDMK speaking against the bill? Why is Akali Dal protesting against the bill? Can you ask the government? Is this the floor management of the government? That is one thing.
No, why did you then not actually allow the voting to happen?
Initial hangama. GVL, allow me to speak. I didn't disrupt you.
Nasir Hussain will finish his point and then GVL will get a time. Okay, Nasir Hussain.
I didn't intervene.
Yes, go ahead.
See, first the entire hangama, First, the entire hangama started with the timings, with the schedule of Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha was supposed to end at 1 o'clock. Without taking the sense of the house, without asking the opposition leader, the deputy chairman carried on with the business. That is where the objection actually started. We were protesting and we were saying that this needs even more discussion. Let us adjourn the house, meet tomorrow, let others speak, let the minister speak. There are n number of amendments that have been proposed. Let the people who have proposed the amendments.
GVL, I'm coming to Kakoli has just joined us and she hasn't spoken. I'm going to get a quick word from her. Fine, I've heard you. I've heard all in seconds. No, you have spoken. 10 seconds.
See, this is where the hangama started. This is where the hangama started. And in this hangama, he wanted to just get the bill passed because the deputy chairman knew that the states were against the government. The states were against the government. We shouted 50 times for division. He didn't allow the division there. Maria, one thing to your earlier question, I just want to say it was Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad who said that the people of Bihar will give these people a befitting reply. This was the statement of Ravi Shankar Prasad, not of the Congress party. Point number one. I don't know what he meant by that. Point number two is that if they really had something to do with this bill, they could have waited, the time was up, they could have adjourned it, postponed it to the next day, and if they had the numbers, they could have passed it. Point number three is, there are 3-4 simple points which were, why is this MSP not mentioned in this bill? Where will the marginal farmer take his produce and go and sell? Where will we sell? And third, the accusation that the Congress wanted to do away with the APMC, he should immediately also mention about the next point that was there in the manifesto, which says that we will create mandis and market sheds very close to the farmlands across the country. We wanted to take the markets more closer to the land of their produce. And where will these people go and send their land? Who will pay for the transportation of their produce? who will guarantee
Okay.
that the land will
Final
be
words. Yes, to GVL.
I mean, their produce will be
Maria,
purchased for the
GVL,
rate they
you know,
wanted.
there are concerns. One moment,
We
GVL.
sell it. In this case,
Exposure.
in the case of an upgrade, he can directly
purchase it.
give
Adani and
it to
Ambani
the
will
buyer
come and purchase
at a
it.
predetermined price
You want to
plus
help
a
the crony
bonus
capitalists?
based on the actual prevailing
You want to
market
help the
price.
crony
This is
capitalists?
the
They will
reform
come
that
and
farmers
purchase.
wanted for
And-
70 years.
and-
This is the
GVL,
freedom they have been waiting for.
and then
We have given
the
them that
farmer
freedom.
will wait
Rather
for the
than join
produce
the
to be
government
come
in
on board.
celebrating the freedom for the farmers, you wanted to do politics.